Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vandevi Hing. Today we're doing my house speciality. Being a Guju, we make this every other day. It's the Gujarati Kadhi. It's something that even my non-Gujarati friends and people love. So here's our recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Gujarati Kadhi, I've got some yogurt. To that I'm going to add in some water. And some besan or chane ka atta. I'm going to give this a nice whisk to ensure there are no lumps. So my mix has no lumps, it's ready to be used. In the meantime, I'm going to heat some ghee. You can use oil in this recipe, but the flavor that the ghee gives is something else. Once my ghee is heated, I'm going to put in my cumin or jeera seeds and my rye. I'll wait until my rye and jeera starts spluttering. My rye and jeera is spluttering. To this, I'm going to add some ginger and chilli paste, some curry leaves, and my most favorite Vandevi yellow powder ghee. I'm going to saute this a couple of minutes. Add in my curd and besan. Don't forget to continuously stir until it comes to a boil, otherwise your curry will curdle. My curry has come to a boil. Now I'm going to add in some sugar. That's the speciality of a Guju dish, is the sweetness. And some salt. I'm going to simmer this curry for another 5-7 minutes and then we're ready to serve. Our curry is ready to be served. I'm garnishing my curry with fresh coriander. This is Chef Nupur Varma from the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vandevi Hing. So chalo jamba.